Who said tasty biscuits always need an oven or a long list of ingredients? With just one egg, a little sugar, flour, you can prepare golden, crispy, and baker-style biscuits. The best part is you don't need to be an expert in baking. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Tanjina. So let's make the recipe. Take one egg in a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of oil. Now start mixing the mixture well until the sugar begins to dissolve and everything looks creamy. Mixing properly is very important to ensure the biscuits turn out fluffy. Continue mixing for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I am adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of Suji, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. The Suji helps giving the biscuits crunch. Mix everything together and form a soft dough. If the dough feels too sticky, you can dust a little extra flour. Make sure it's not too hard or too soft. It should be smooth. Now the dough is ready. Now take a small portion of the dough and make shape like this. Heat some oil in a pan on low flame. Now carefully place the biscuits into the oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches if necessary. Keep turning them occasionally so they cook evenly. The biscuits will slowly puff up and change color. Continue frying the biscuits until they turn a beautiful golden brown color. The semolina in the dough gives a light crispiness while the egg ensures softness inside. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Once done, remove them from the oil and place them on tissue paper to absorb excess oil. Let the biscuits cool down completely before serving. They taste best with a cup of tea or coffee. The texture will be crisp on the outside and soft inside. Store any leftover biscuits in an airtight container so they remain fresh and crunchy. These homemade biscuits are simple, budget-friendly, and full of love. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.